Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. In this session, let us look at one interesting example related to 11th grade straight line syllabus. In what direction should a line be drawn through the point 1, 2 so that its point of intersection with the line x plus y equal to 4 is at a distance of square root of 6 by 3 units from the given point. Let's understand. So I just try to give you rough diagram so that it will be easy for you to understand the problem. Let's have a look at that. In what direction should a line be drawn through the point 1, 2? This is point 1, 2. I have to draw a line through 1, 2 in such a way that its distance from other line x plus y equal to 4 is nothing but is equal to square root of 6 by 3, which is approximately equal to 0.8 units. So we have to find out the direction. What's the meaning of direction? Direction means we have to find out the slope of that particular line. So what we will do now first is we'll try to draw a line such that its a distance from the point of intersection with the line and 1, 2 will be equal to square root of 6 by 3. So let me go ahead and try to do that. Let me say that this is my line and that line is given by, we don't know that line, we have to find out its equation. We have to actually find out its slope, m equal to how much. Okay, fine. We know this particular point is 1, 2. Let us say that is 1, 2. Let us say that the point of intersection between these two lines is x1, y1. x1, y1. Okay, and we know the distance between them is equal to square root of 6 by 3. That means if I say this point is P and this point is Q, we know that PQ equal to square root of 6 by 3. So let me write down that clearly. We'll write down one by one. We will say that let point P x1, y1 is point of intersection of two lines x plus y equal to 4 and the line what we want. And second thing, we know that coordinates of Q is 1, 2. We have been given that PQ equal to square root of 6 by 3. We have been given that PQ equal to square root of 6 divided by 3. So from this we can find out one equation, x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square equal to root of 6 by 3 whole square. So what we can do now, we can square it on both sides. Can I say PQ square is equal to 6 by 9, or can I write down the formula now? Distance formula, x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square, y1 minus 2 whole square is equal to 6 by 9. Now we have two variables here. Now how to convert this into one variable? For that we will use another logic. We know that the point P is point of intersection of two lines. That means it is also satisfied by x plus y equal to 4. So x1, y1 satisfies x plus y equal to 4. According to that, what we know? We know that x1 plus y1 equal to 4. We know that x1 plus y1 equal to 4. So can we leverage that and substitute in this? So we'll go to our next step where we will write down x1 minus 1 whole square plus y1 is nothing but 4 minus x1. When I subtract, I get 2 minus x1 whole square is equal to 6 by 9. Let's open this up now. X1 square minus 2x1 plus 1 plus 4 plus x1 square minus 4x1 is equal to 6 by 9. We'll simplify this. We'll move to the next step. Let's move to the next step. Now we'll try to simplify this and multiply with 9. I will write down x1 square plus x1 square is 2x1 square. 2x1, 4x1 with negatives is minus 6x1 plus 5, and 6 by 9 comes to the left side. It will become minus 6 by 9. So can I write down 2x1 square 2x1 square x1 square minus 6x1 2x1 square minus 6x1 plus 5 minus 6 by 9 is equal to 0. Let's multiply with 9. We'll have 18x1 square minus 54x1 plus 45 minus 6 is plus 39 equal to 0. I just simplified it. So now we can find out the x1 value by taking quadratic equation. X1 equal to minus b plus or minus x1 equal to minus b, that is 54, plus or minus b square, that is 54 square, minus 4ac, 4 into 39 into 18 divided by 2a, 2 into 18, that's equal to 54 plus or minus square. 54 square is 2916 and 4 into 39 is 156. 156 into 18 is 2808. So we get 108 there. So can I write down 108 divided by 36. If we simplify that, that's equal to, we can write down 54 plus or minus root 108 is 6 root 3 divided by 36. So can I write down here, can I write down that x is equal to 6 9s are 54. So can I say 9 plus or minus root 3 divided by 6. So x1 is equal to 9 plus or minus root 3 by 6. Once we get the x1 value, we can easily find out y1 value, because we know that y1 equal to 4 minus x1. So let's find out the y1 value. After that, we just find out the slope of PQ. We are done with the problem. We got x1 now, so let's find out y1. We will say x1 equal to 9 plus or minus root 3 by 6, and y1 is nothing but 4 minus of x1. What we need is the slope of PQ, that's nothing but between x1, y1 and 1, 2. First we will take x1 equal to first case, that is 9 plus root 3 divided by 6. In that scenario, y1 equal to 4 minus of 9 plus root 3 divided by 6. If we simplify that, we will have y1 equal to 24 minus 9 minus root 3 divided by 6, that's equal to 15 minus root 3 by 6. Now we know x1 equal to 9 plus root 3 by 6 and y1 equal to 15 minus root 3 by 6. Now let's go ahead and find out the slope of PQ. PQ slope is equal to y2 minus y1. So we have 2 points now. First point is P. P is given by 9 plus root 3 by 6 comma 15 minus root 3 divided by 6, and Q equal to 1 comma 2. We need to find out the direction of the line. That means we need to find out the slope of PQ. So let's simplify that. We will have y2 minus y1. So can I write down slope of PQ equal to 2 minus, can we say 15 minus, easy way, 15 minus root 3 by 6 minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1, 9 plus root 3 by 6 minus 1. Simplify that, we will have 15 minus root 3 minus 12 divided by 9 plus root 3 minus 6. We have divided by 6 here, divided by 6 here, they will cancel out. 15 minus 12 is 3, 3 minus root 3 divided by 3 plus root 3. So we got slope equal to 3 minus root 3 by 3 plus root 3, but we can rationalize this. So let's go ahead and try to do that. That's equal to 3 minus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 divided by 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3, which is equal to, we have, this is nothing but equal to a minus b whole square. Can I write down 9 plus 3 minus 2ab, that is 6 root 3 divided by 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So can I say 3 square minus root 3 whole square, which is nothing but equal to 12 minus 6 root 3 divided by 6, which is equal to 2 minus root 3. Now, you know slope is nothing but equal to tan of theta. So if I say this angle is equal to theta, the inclination or the angle made by the straight line with the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, 2 minus root 3 tan theta equal to 2 minus root 3, that means theta equal to 15 degrees. Now can you do me a favor? Now can you go ahead and take 9 minus root 3 by 6 as x1, find out the y1. Then again you do the same exercise and find out. You will see that the other angle is nothing but 75, which is nothing but 2 plus root 3. In the second case, you will get m equal to 2 plus root 3, tan theta equal to 2 plus root 3, or you will get theta equal to 75 degrees. How we got tan 75 equal to 2 plus root 3? We have tan of a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. We substitute and rationalize, we will get that. So let's summarize this, since we have taken a lot of time on this problem. In what direction should a line be drawn through the point 1, 2 so that its point of intersection with the line x plus y equal to 4 is at a distance of root 6 by 3 from the given point? That means there is a straight line x plus y equal to 4. This is a straight line x plus y equal to 4. We need a line passing through 1, 2 such that its a distance between point of intersection and 1, 2 is nothing but root of 6 by 3. This is not the one line actually, because this is 15 degrees angle. That means we also have 75 degrees angle, right? So let's understand how that guy looks like. That guy will be looking like this. Let me just put it for you. That guy will go like that, and he will be making an angle of 75 degrees. So passing through 1, 2 have the same distance, root 6 by 3. So one is 15 degrees, one we have is 15 degrees. The other guy will be making an angle of 75 degrees. So one is 15 degrees, another is 75 degrees. Okay, now let's understand how to do this problem. So for that, what we did, we said that let the point of intersection be x1 comma y1. We know the distance between, given that the distance between x1, y1 and 1 comma 2 is square root of 6 by 3. We applied the distance formula. We got a relationship between x1 and y1. We also know that this particular point satisfies, since it is a point of intersection, it also satisfies the straight line x plus y equal to 4. That means x1 plus y1 equal to 4. So two equations, two variables, find out the values of x1 and y1. Once you get x1 and y1, the direction of the line is nothing but the slope, which is tan theta y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. When we applied the slope formula, we got 2 minus root 3. We got 2 minus root 3, but tan theta is 2 minus root 3. That means theta equal to 15 degrees. You can cross check that. You can do tan of 45 minus 30. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. You can rationalize that. The other straight line makes an angle of 75 degrees because we have two x1 values. We have taken first 9 plus root 3 by 6. Second, if you take 9 minus root 3 by 6, you will get again y1 value. You substitute, again you find out the slope. You will get 2 plus root 3 equal to tan theta, or theta equal to 75 degrees. So thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.